Hey guys, finally I finished with my Hammerhead Corvette from Star Wars. First of all, I spent a week printing this stuff and I used 4 kg of Polymaker PLA made filament, right? And I'm using this filament a lot, and this is not an advertising because I don't have any relationship with them, unfortunately. It's just a high quality filament. And then a lot of you suggest me that it makes sense to paint it. And first I saw, no, come on guys, it's another universe. You need to know how to paint. You need to have a paint. You need to have a brushes or even airbrushes. So first of all, first I hesitated, right? But then I decided, well, why not? And check this out. It took me another week to paint it, and I did a lot of mistakes, and you gave me a lot of suggestions, which is I'm really grateful for. I didn't use a primer this time because I just don't have airbrush, and with a just brush it's not the same, it's pretty hard to do. So you asked me what paints I have, and this is give me a sec. This is Vallejo game colors. I just have it from previous projects, and I just add some wash FX different colors, and it's also from Vallejo. So I have like a gray one or Vallejo. I don't know. Sorry if it's a wrong pronunciation, and some rust effects and some golden metallic colors, and just like random brushes from Amazon, right? So first I applied some gray colors, then orange one, then this metallic golden with rust effect, and finally yesterday I did this kind of weathering stuff. I don't know if I'm successful or not. You can tell me looking on the final result, right? So please leave a comment and tell me how it looks like for the first in my life project of painting such huge ship, right? I will appreciate your comments. So I printed this model from the website Game Body or something like that. Link will in the description. Also, I will leave a link for the filament, for the paints, for the brushes, for the small LED what I have used for the engine parts, so you will be able to check and decide if it's for you or not. And if you want to have such model, or rather already printed model or object or ship for yourself, I have a Discord server, so ping me on a Discord server. I don't have possibility to print them a lot because I have only 2 printers for now, but we can discuss and maybe I will be able to help you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video with a new big ship. And guys, don't forget, keep calm and just print it again.